to the third lesson in the PrintJourney course. In this lesson, we're diving deep into our AI image generation features. PrintJourney integrates with several different models. Some of you have used them before, some of these may be new to you. Our main goal is to provide the tools that you need to iterate on your designs and streamline your workflow so that you can publish more products for less money. To kick things off, we're back on the home page. On the home page, I'll click on Generate Design, and I get to create a design modal. Now within this modal, there are several different features. The first feature I'll go over is choosing different AI image generation models. If you're well versed in the AI image generation space, you'll recognize some of these models. Out of the box, PrintJourney gives you access to models like Stable Diffusion 3, Stable Diffusion 3 Turbo, Stable Diffusion XL, and DALL E 3. Now depending on the model that you choose to work with, you'll have different options and parameters available to you when you generate an image. Images are generated using prompts. Now prompts, we can do an entire lesson, an entire course just on prompt engineering. So for this, you'll have to do a little bit of homework on your own to figure out the best type of prompts for the products that you're looking to create. For this course, we're going to stick to some basic styles and basic prompts just to give you an idea of how things work. Now, if prompt engineering sounds like something that's way too complicated for you, don't worry. At the end of this video, I'll go through our Brainstorming tool, which generates prompts for you based on the niche or subject that you want. At the beginning of this course, I mentioned our demo store, TempoTech, focuses on the cross between music and technology. So to kick us off, we're going to use a fairly simple prompt. Digital illustration, t-shirt design, the words I love music, modern, sans serif, synthwave. Now before you go thinking, oh, this is complex, believe me, they can get a lot more complex. If you're working on any kind of t-shirt designs, coffee mug designs, fairly simple vector, flat vector based designs, using digital illustration and t-shirt design will most likely get you close to what it is that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and generate this and see what we get. And just like that, we're able to generate a pretty cool design. Well, let's see what else we can get with a very similar prompt. I'll switch to Stable Diffusion 3 Turbo. Let's hit generate. Not exactly as close as Stable Diffusion 3, but there are a lot of pretty cool aspects about this. Let's switch to DALL E 3. With DALL E, you get some more options. You can have it be a little bit more organic, a little bit more detailed. We can use certain features like enhance, which give us a higher quality rendering. And we can also disable prompt revision. Now, DALL E 3, if you don't know too much about it, it'll take your prompt and it'll modify it a little bit. It'll try and guess what it is that you're trying to generate. Now we can turn this on or off. For me, I think I'm pretty descriptive, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and let's see what we get. Let's hit generate. Not exactly what I was looking for, DALL E. I think I'll stick with Stable Diffusion 3 and we'll continue working with this model. Earlier I mentioned that PrintJourney will help you generate the prompts used to generate images. So I'm going to walk you through the Brainstorm tool. We'll click Import Prompt and you'll see the prompts drawer open up. Now we can generate some prompts. So for example, my subject is going to be something like guitars and technology. Let's see what we get. We'll click Generate Prompt. And I get 5 prompts that are ready to be used to generate images. I like this one, a classic guitar integrated with virtual reality elements, oil on canvas, modern, reminiscent of Andy Warhol, Instagram, surreal interfaces, psychedelic colors, dreamlike, warm orange glow, ambient lighting. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. And you'll see that it pops right into my prompt section. I'll hit generate. We get a pretty cool design, fairly accurate to what the description was. Let's click back into the drawer and we can do some cool things. Here we can go into our prompt library. We can save this prompt. It's a pretty cool prompt. We can also search. I've done some watercolor type prompts. So let's see what we get there. Abstract geometric shapes and line art, watercolor and ink. Let's try this one. Let's see what we get. Not bad. This could be cool on maybe shower curtains. We can also change the aspect ratio and generate multiple images. So let's generate 3 images with a 9:16 aspect ratio. Also very cool. Now you can imagine these can be used for yoga mats. I hope this lesson was a good primer for you in generating images within PrintJourney. Stay tuned because later on in the course, we'll have a lesson dedicated to integrating PrintJourney with Midjourney. That's right. From within Discord, you'll be able to generate images and publish them to your Printify store without ever leaving the console. Thank you for watching this lesson. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next lesson.